Special occasions call for special creations. And if it's an extra special day, ordinary just won't do. Wait for it. Boom! It's time!
Wow!
Happy birthday!
Okay! Super sweet! Whoa! Are you seeing this?
Okay, your turn.
Uh-huh. Whoa!
I'm just gonna rest for a second. Oh, yeah.
Mom, are you watching?
Uh-huh.
Check out this move! Whoa, no! Ugh!
Huh?
My bad.
It's alright.
Bubble attack! They're everywhere! Pew, pew, pew! Woohoo!
Oh, Annie!
Oh, sorry, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
I'll just make my own big bubble. Wait. Okay. Come on!
Ugh!
Oops.
What? Another toy?
I'm sorry.
A balloon, huh? Wait a second. You want a new toy to play with? I got you covered. Let's fill her up. Here's where things get really interesting. Ready? Hello, glitter balloon. Is this awesome or what?
Wow!
Hey, Annie, look.
Oh, that's cool. Too little, too late.
Oh!
I couldn't help myself.
So much stress! Everything's okay.
Ooh. Ha! See ya!
Phew! So many dishes.
Do you believe this? No more popsicle. Melted.
Oh, it's okay.
I'm so hot.
Don't you worry. I have more. Don't I?
Well,
Sorry.
no more popsicles? This is the worst day of my life.
I'll fix this, okay, honey? You just need some water.
No!
Oh, thanks.
Sorry, Mom.
With ice this time?
Plain ice? Really?
Oh, you want flavor, huh? Don't worry. Have this. Cut, of course.
Cut the banana? It's not even cold.
Well, not yet.
Okay, almost done.
Ready to chill with this guy? He'll keep your fruit nice and cold. Just watch, okay? It's about to get cold in here. Can't forget the whipped cream. Can you scream for ice cream? Because it's coming your way. Wow, check it out! Impressive, huh?
Wow! Give me that! Yummy! Hey, I need some more.
Did you even chew? Okay. Sleep tight, honey. I love you.
Ah! Cockroach! Over there! See it?
I sure do. Hold on.
So gross.
Take that. All done.
Phew. Thank goodness.
Night-night.
Good night, Mom. Huh? What was that? Hello? Who's there? Huh? Cockroaches! Everywhere! Howdy, partner. Ah! Got room for me? Ah!
Honey, what happened?
The cockroach! There!
Another one? I don't see anything.
A big one!
Really? I have an idea. Ta-da!
Who's that?
Your new sleeping bag. He'll keep you nice and safe.
Wow! Do it!
snug as a bug in a rug. Well, you know.
Thank you!
Sweet dreams!
Good night. Surprise! Hey, I can't get in that thing. This stinks. Whatever.
Like and subscribe for more great videos.
What a beautiful park! I'm so glad I decided to take a walk. What was that? Oh, shoot. My ice cream melted on my clothes. What? And I sat in gum? So irritating. Guess there's nothing to do. I'll have to change. Let's see. Is there anywhere to change? Of course not. I guess I'll just have to change out here. I don't want anyone to see me, though. I'll just slide one leg up, then pull it through to the other leg. Okay, now for the other foot. Perfect. Clean shorts are in place. Which means I can now take off my dirty shorts. There we go. I'm back in clean clothes.
I can't wait to share this new recipe. Oh, who's calling me now? It's work. Yes? Tell me everything.
Anything good? Cucumber! Come on! Ready? And chop!
Ooh, I'll call you back. Hey, don't do that.
Don't do that!
You can cut it using this. See? Give it a try.
Okay. Nothing's happening. Daddy?
Hang on. Hand it over. See? It's not hard at all.
Cool! Oh! Now I'm just like you. See? I'm doing it!
Yep. Just like me.
Ugh. Dad, I've been playing all day. Mom?
Oh honey! Look at our tent!
Cool. Can I go in?
See you soon! Ryan? What's going on in there? Are you alright? What's all over your face? Oh, hold on. Mosquitoes! They're everywhere! Ah! Get out of here!
It really itches. Go get 'em, Mom!
I'm trying. Wait! Gotcha! Haha! I can't believe I caught it! Wait. I think I hear it. Is it in there? Oh, man. I lost it.
These really itch, Mom.
I'm gonna getcha! Hey! Wait a minute. Ugh!
Ooh, brutal. It's like watching a gladiator game. Mom versus blood-sucking bugs. Who will come out alive?
Ugh! Ouch! Ugh, that's it! You wanna play? Let's play! Come and get it!
Wow, she's tough. How sharp is that thing? Cool!
I'm exhausted. I give up. I'm sorry, honey.
I hate mosquitoes!
Oh, hold on. I have one thing left to try. And it shouldn't hurt one bit. Let's cut this thing open. Now that that's done, the spout goes right on in. It should fit in perfectly. See? It's perfect.
Make it stop!
No more scratching. This stuff will give you some relief.
Cool!
Wow, you've got so many. It's like they never end. Phew.
Ah, finally.
Oh, did you hear that? The buzzing! Wait. I'm armed and ready, pal!
Oh well. My new hat's cool.
I'm gonna be so late!
Oh yeah?
I have to put my makeup on. And I need to concentrate.
I have makeup to put on too. You just put it right on, huh?
This shade is pretty nice. Brian! Whatever. I'm moving on to the lips. And today's a fire engine red day.
Wow, this feels great. Lipstick time. I've never put on any before. Trickier than I thought it'd be.
Nice. Ugh,
What are you doing? Give me that! Mom's gonna kill me.
Aw, I was using that.
Right back at ya. Now where was I?
It's not fair.
Blush time. So pretty.
Wait. I want blush too. I don't see an extra brush. On second thought… This thing is perfect. What's that? Calm down. It's just Nutella. Woohoo!
Okay, almost done. I really need this caffeine.
Hey, gross.
My bad. Is that what I think it is? Oh, Brian. No! Wait, are those freckles? Hold on a minute. Think coffee will work? Only one way to find out. Wow! Awesome! I can't believe that worked!
I'll be taking this.
Done!
Look, Meg. I love you. It's for you.
I love you too, buddy. Find these hacks useful? Share your new knowledge with your friends by sharing this video. And be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on all the fun. Anti-dandruff shampoo really works. Huh? No water? What's going on? I look ridiculous. I need to find a shower. There must be something around here I can use. I hope no one sees me. So embarrassing. It's not funny, you guys. Maybe I can use that bag? Exactly what I need. I'll fill it with water from the pool. Then tie it around the shower. All I need to do now is poke some holes in the bag. A homemade shower. I can't wait to go diving. Got my goggles. I'm ready. Ouch! Ouch! Who put stones on a beach? It's not that bad. It's just pain. You can do this. Made it! Now to see all the pretty fishes. I don't look suspicious at all in all this black clothing. Best disguise ever. Oh, what do we have here? Candy, a ball, a phone and money. Jackpot! I'm rich! What a day! Hey! You! That's mine! Stop! Thief! Must swim faster! Huh? Did you say something? You want me to take your candy too? Okay, thanks. Delicious. And now to run! Almost there! No stupid stones! Ouch! Ow! Ugh. She's really taking her time. I'll take the phone as well. And the bag. And the snorkel. Thanks! No! Stop! Get back here! No! My things! They're still here! Phew. This tennis ball could come in handy. First, get a jar. Put some glue on the lid. Stick the tennis ball down onto the lid. Now I can keep my candy, money, and other things safe. Close over the jar. Then bury in the sand. The tennis ball lets me know where my buried treasure is. Perfect! Nothing's gonna ruin this day now. Except these stupid stones. What is your favorite beach hack? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more useful, fun videos just like this one.